a charred sky, where whispers of the forest lie. She stands among the branches bare, a fragile soul, a quiet prayer. The world is dark, but she holds on. Through the silence of what's gone, the sparrows sing, they know her name. Their fragile wings bear all her pain. From the ashes she will rise, with the fire still in her eyes. Like the birds that brave the storm, she'll find her way, she'll be reborn. The earth's still warm beneath her feet. Memories burn, yet bittersweet. She wears the scars like woven threads, a story told of what's been shed. Through the ruins, a quiet song of hope that's built where it's been wrong. The sparrows soar, they light the way, guiding her to brighter days. From the ashes she will rise, with the fire still in her eyes. Like the birds that brave the storm, she'll find her way, she'll be reborn. The branches crack, the winds may howl, the world may wear a heavy shroud, but through it all her heart will sing. The dawn is near and life will spring. Among the ruins she takes flight, a spark ignites the endless night. From the ashes she will rise, like the sparrows in the skies. Amid the embers where time has burned, she stands unbroken as the world turns. In the stillness where echoes fade, her spirit unchained will not be swayed. Through the scars and the broken ground, she speaks without a single sound. Her eyes are the fire that no storm can quell, a story of survival only time will tell. A whispered breath between the trees, a promise carried on the breeze. She'll soar through the silence of the night, for from the ashes there is always light. From the ashes she will rise, with the fire still in her eyes. Like the birds that